Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a relaxing after dark clean with me. After dark clean with me's are definitely one of my favorite to do and to film because you get to wake up to a beautiful clean home and there's nothing more satisfying than that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button down below. Today I started in this guest bathroom. It's also the bathroom that Grayson takes his baths in. I needed to clean the tub a little bit more deeply because he had a little accident in there and I wanted to make sure that it was clean for the next time that he took a bath. And while I was at it, I just went ahead and wiped down the toilet and cleaned the inside of the toilet and also the countertops.
We try to find our ways in life to give our hearts and soul a peace of mind. But you just want to drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down.
So you might notice that it's still pretty bright outside. It's around 8 o'clock at this time. Grayson's been laid down for bed and I'm just winding down for the evening.
I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over. Was it all in my head? Did we try too hard and lost it all instead? Was it all on me? Oh, you backed away so far I couldn't see how far you drifted away. Along the street, how far you drifted away, away from me. I held your hand when time was rough. I tried to keep your feet on the ground. But you just wanna drink your beer and grab the glass and let it go down. We're going down. Now I can't hold you any longer. I can't cope 'cause you're a storm. A storm, a storm. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over. Was it all in my head? Did we try too hard and lost it all instead? Was it all on me? Oh, you back away so far I couldn't see. Was it all in my head? Did we try too hard and lost it all instead? Was it all on me? Oh, you back away so far I couldn't see how far you drifted away. Along the street, how far you drifted away, away from me.
I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I've hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers drinking till my feet felt numb.
So I do usually like to try and run the dishwasher at night and load it after dinner, but this evening I just really felt like hand washing the few dishes that I had so that I could dry them, put them away, and just everything would be done and I wouldn't have anything left for me in the morning.
Far too long, I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned its back on me, it seems. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. Have you ever felt like someone who's meant to be somewhere else, caught inside a state of mind where nothing is really making sense? That's why I've been left here on the ground. Sister, help me up, I've fallen down. I've been lost far too long, I can't see.
So I ordered the mint scent in the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and all that stuff from their spring collection. I'm not big on florals, so that's why I didn't do the peony or the lilac. And I'm really happy with the mint scent. It's almost like a sweet mint. I don't know, it smells so good.
Brother, help me up, I've fallen down.
Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. When I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through.
And here I'm just adding some essential oils to the drain and then running some water. I got that idea from Amanda over at This Crazy Life. Best idea I've ever gotten.
We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but
So here I'm actually just wiping down the refrigerator with a wet cloth and then going over it with a microfiber cloth. I really want to try out the e-cloths to do this. I just have a hard time purchasing things online. I will let things sit in my cart forever and ever and never actually purchase them. So I've been thinking about it for a really long time. I just haven't done it yet. So to finish off this cleaning, I'm just going to give the floor a good sweeping and a good mopping. I would love recommendations or just your favorite mop that you like to use. I currently just use a Swiffer, but it's definitely not my favorite option, and I have a few ideas of what I want, but I'm just not quite sure which one to get. So let me know in the comments what your favorite is.
In the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire like a moth to a
I hope you liked today's video. I hope it was relaxing and motivating. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe before leaving so you don't miss future videos to come. Thanks guys, see you next time.
I've been trying to figure